What's up you guys? My name is Vivian from the Paper Letter Blog, and today we're opening the Papierre pack of July. Now, last month I opened for the very first time two Papierre packs, namely the one from May and the one from June. And now I'm going to open the one from July. I want to say that I got some feedback last time that my video was way too long. I mean, it was 30 minutes, so I get it. I'm fully aware that 30 minutes is very long, so you don't have to, you know, get angry at me. And this time it will be way shorter, but last time we had two packs in one video, and now we're going to have one pack, so it should be shorter anyway. It's quite thick. Oh, okay, they included a little message for me thanking me for the fun video I made last month, and they say that a lot of people actually joined Papierre because of my video, which is so fun. And to kind of thank me, they included the free envelopes again, which is really great, and a free 12-pack of Astronaut, which is one of the sheets they have available on their Etsy store, which is really cute. And you know, I love cats, so I will definitely get some use out of this. So again, I'm going to put this little disclaimer. I paid for this pack myself. I'm not getting sponsored by Papierre. I actually reached out to them and they didn't reach out to me. But if you do want to sign up to Papierre, I would be really grateful if you would mention my name, Vivian from the Paper Letter Blog, when you do, so that they can see how many people come from my channel. And then in the future I might also, same as with the Pipsticks and the Paper Gang, I might start getting my monthly subscription for free or for a discount because I refer so many people. So that would be really, really great if you could mention that when you sign up. But other than that, like I said, I paid for this myself. The only thing they did is send me the Astronaut pack for free, which is really cute, and they included free envelopes, which is something I did not pay for, but I'm very happy to use. And it is something I might actually upgrade to in the future as well. By the way, I'm trying this peach and pineapple cold brew tea that I got from Beck. It's quite nice. Let's get into this pack. So this is themed childhood memories. Okay, I have a feeling this pack is not going to be my style, because it says, this month we are celebrating the little kids inside all of us. I usually don't really like kids themed stuff, but it's okay. I can still use them to write little notes because I only get 4 pieces of writing paper from every design. So even if I don't like it, I run out quite quickly, and I can also give them away as gifts. So that's okay. So there's a little note which you can read if you like. I'm just going to open it. So like I said, there are 6 different designs each month, and I chose the 24 sheet pack, so I get 4 of each design. But you can choose less or more depending on your preference, and you can also get these individual sheets in their Etsy store, I think at the end of this month, although I'm not quite sure. So okay, first design is this little unicorn, and while I'm not really, like I said, I'm not really a big fan of kids themed stuff, unicorns are definitely big in the snail mail world, so I know a lot of people are going to love this. And I have to admit, it is quite cute with the rainbow kind of colors around this. That is definitely my style. And I don't think I said that in the last video, but as far as I'm aware, all of their letter writing paper is lined, which is such a big plus for me. So I could definitely gift this or use it myself. And the envelope again has the unicorn, the little cloud design, and I love this kind of watercolory design. Envelope is quite cute. So okay, that's the first design. Like I said, it's not really my style, but you know, when you sign up to a mystery subscription, you're going to get months that you simply do not connect to the product that much, but that's also part of the fun. Okay, wow. I don't actually know if these are related to like kids cartoons or something. I've definitely never seen them before, but maybe someone else recognizes them. Let me know. The next one is this disco pig. Wow, that's colorful, and we've got a little disco ball in the top. Again, this clearly is not my style, but it's quite funny. It does bring a smile to my face. And what I again like is that the lines are not simple, boring. They're actually yellow on top of a pink background. And let me grab the envelope without spoiling too much. There we go. Okay, we've got a little disco ball and then the piggy on the back. Yeah. So far my favorite pack is still the May pack. If you haven't seen it yet, I really suggest you go check out that video as well, because you can see 12 more designs as they sent me the May pack for free. So this is the next set, bright pink, and then ooh, oh, I actually like, if I don't look at the design, I actually love this paper. Like the watercolor kind of speckled design really is my style. The only thing that I don't really like is this. Okay, maybe he is a little bit adorable. It's like an astronaut, I think, and he has like this little heart. It's almost like he's waiting for your approval. Okay, fine. I actually quite like this, especially like I said because of the pink orangey design on the back. But this little astronaut guy is also kind of cute. So I might actually use that one for myself. Let me find the envelope. Oh, the envelope is also quite nice. You know, I could also cover that up if I don't like it, but you know, that's not really me. I'm kind of curious to see what they're going to do for next month. Next month will be August. Is that going to be like a late summer theme, or are they going to start with fall? Okay, then we're going to flip this. Ooh, that is actually quite cute. We've got Dear Friend. So one of them, I think one of them always has like a little headliner or something. Dear Friend, and then this little girl with blonde hair. Quite cute. I quite like the color scheme of this. This will be perfect for writing a little subscriber mail reply, so I quite like that. And then I found the envelope already. I love the back with the little hearts. To my dear friend. That is actually quite cute. So this will be perfect for writing a little note, because it doesn't really make sense to use this paper for a long letter, because you know every page starts with dear friend. So if this is the second page, you know that doesn't make a whole lot of sense, but that's quite cute. I also know someone from my pen pals who would love that, absolutely love that. So I might actually use it for a letter to her. So that's already the fourth design, and we're going to the ooh, okay, this is actually not that childish. This is more me. I don't usually like flamingos, but again, this is kind of like a watercolor design, and I quite like that. So we have the kind of really, I hope my camera picks up on this, but a really light yellow background. I like this a little bit pastel colored, light yellow background with like some sort of lighter yellow petals, and then pink lines, which I quite like. And then there's adorable flamingo in the bottom. This one I'm definitely keeping myself, also because there's so much space to write. Like with this one, for example, you really have a limited amount to write, and this one is going, you know, you can write long letters on this, which is something that's definitely a plus for me. Although I have to admit, I also like these, because sometimes you want to write a note or something for a swap, and then having a lot of space to write is just a bit awkward. You just feel like you have to fill it up. So that is the, okay, wait, I need to find the, oh my god, a monkey. And this is, oh, another envelope with the little introduction, like please deliver to. Quite like that. And this is also rather cute. I like this envelope. This is definitely, from all of these, definitely my favorite set so far. It's also quite perfect for summer because, you know, flamingos, hello. I just did the Pip Sticks unboxing, and there were also some flamingo stickers in there, so they will go nicely together. And then this is the final set, and we've got this. Okay, the envelope I actually love this. I wanted to say we've got like these color blocks, which doesn't suit me at all, but for the envelope I kind of like it. For some reason I like the envelope. While it's like exactly the same, the envelope is much more me than the letter writing paper, but also because the monkey is just not really me. I mean, if you watch my videos, you know that I would never go for a design like that, which again is totally fine because you only get 4 sheets. So this is easy to give away as a gift. But yeah, this is definitely not my favorite. But the envelope, on the other hand, the envelope is definitely something I'm keeping. So this is my last design. Yeah, I mean, it was clear from the beginning when I read that this was going to be a kids themed pack that this was not going to be my type of letter writing subscription, but I'm still not disappointed. Like, I paid for this, and sometimes with the Paper Gang I get upset when I get a Paper Gang box that I don't like. It's like, ah, wasted money. But this still doesn't feel like wasted money to me, because it is quite cute for giving away or for using myself. Like this one I might actually use myself. Wait, let me take them out. Okay, so there's actually 3 designs that I would, or 4 designs. Like the only ones I really wouldn't use are the disco frog and the monkey. So these are going to be gifted to someone else. But this one is a maybe. But these 3 are definitely my style. Also, I wanted to do like a teeny tiny review of the paper I got last month, because I've been writing a lot of letters on them, and so far so good, because I love writing with a fountain pen, and that actually works really, really well. The paper is quite a good quality, like it's not too thick, but it's definitely thick enough for writing with fountain pens. I also wrote on them with those Arteza gel pens that I got a while ago. Where are they? These. I also wrote on them with these, and I wrote on them with highlighters to write like Dear Pen Pal. And none of the pens I used bleed. So when you, I usually write on both sides of the paper, and it's perfectly fine to write on both sides with any type of pen so far. So I'm actually quite pleased with that. So far this is really, really good. Again, like, I like that I'm paying for this myself, because it allows me to be honest, because I could also fake enthusiasm over these, but you know, it's quite obvious that these are not my typical style, so it's also quite nice that I can be honest. Oh wait, there's something else in here. Oops. Oh, there's another one of these cards that was also in there last time. It's be a part of the most amazing online pen pal community, League of Extraordinary Pen Pals, and the website is extraordinarypenpals.com. And then another one of these. Okay, they changed it this time. That's better, because last time it had subscribe, mention that you, when you subscribe, mention that you were referred by da, 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 da. And then last time it said Vivian with my last name, and I tried to keep my last name private, because you know, the internet is a scary place. And this time they changed it, and they said Vivian at ThePaperLetterBlog. So I can send this to a pen pal if they want to subscribe themselves. That's quite cute. Okay, so that is this month's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was for sure shorter than the previous one, but still quite long, because you know, I do enjoy making long videos, and I do enjoy taking my time when reviewing the different designs, because I think for a lot of people that's also why they are here. So that is the La Papierre video for today. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see more, leave a comment down below telling me your favorite design. Is this a pack you would have enjoyed yourself, or would you rather have one of the previous designs? I will put all of the links down below to their website and their Etsy store and all that. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the La Papierre videos, but also Pipsticks and Paper Gang. They all start with a P, don't ask me why, because I do these nearly every month. Then last but not least, I also do pen pal videos, of course, so definitely subscribe if you want to see them as well. Now, I'm going to leave it at that. I hope you have an amazing day, and I hope to see you again very soon. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye!